Alright, so I finished the pots for the day. These are the, I didn't do all of them, I got through some of them, so I did a double one there underneath with a heart one on top. Here's one with like a pancake based mold, I think they were. So that's going to be like a fairly big tray, this one, maybe like a bonsai could go in there. Okay, this one, yeah. Okay, another big square one there, and it's got like a round bowl inside that one. Square rectangular one. This is like two. This has got one large round one with a kind of in a coriander and colander, I should say. And this one is like a round one with another one inside that. So hopefully I'll get two out of that one. And some more rectangular, square ones with a rectangular inner part. The jars are inside there just to keep the weight down a bit. Okay. Keep the weight down so it doesn't come out too far. Then I won't have to dig so far to make the hole. Okay, so how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 pots, and there's these ones here, like the bricks out of an ice cube thing, and so that's 12 and 13, 14. Little heart shape on top. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then yeah, the heart and the cubes. Oh, and there's one more over here, so 13 actually. So there's this one over here as well. This has got the 6-pack, like the 6 glasses, 6 cups inside it. Hopefully that'll turn out alright. Okay, so got 13 pots and 2 shape ones.